Ready or no? Sis Liti PU channel. Maghugas na ako ng plato, guys. After ko matapos play yung kaysa ilokot na to, guys, mag-end na ako. Watching, still watching. No more already. No. Huh? The Trios TV, thank you. Thanks, welcome. Yan, still watching. So, yun na nga, guys. Tingnan nyo. At grabe, winter na kasi na nakamahaba na ng manggas. The Trios TV, sis Bula na. Mag-shoutout na ako, guys, at mag-end na ako kasi tapos na alaga kong kumain. So, maglilinis na ako after na mahugasan ko lahat ng kinainan. Maglinis na ako ng mag-vacuum ako tsaka mag-mop. So, ayan, may love shoutout is Marcus Memorino, Ron More TV. Sino to? Sikit, John Skins, King Salute, may love shoutout. Salikot, Mini Vlogs, Bibs, si Bibs, Singapore, thank you so much. The Trios TV, Seron More TV, Sis Marie Chris Memorino, Shulihatan, thank you so much. TTPU channel, sis, thank you. All Seasons Vlog, thank you so much. Sino pa? Thank you. Sa lahat nandito. Putra Lampong Official, thank you so much. Sino pa? Si Sis Bulana Girl TV, thank you so much. Si Super Tinangs, thank you. Sino pa dito kanina? Si Kusinerong Pastor, thank you so much. Tony Official, thank you so much. Chris Montijo, thank you so much, sis. Adi Socardi, thank you so much. Ayan, ang mga nandito. Sis Mildred Lifestyle, thank you so much. Ay, may dito pa kanina. Sino to? Hindi ko na anuhan. Si Ramja, ano to? Si Ramsey Support. Good evening. Ayan, bigyan ko siya ng moderator pero wala na yata siya. Thank you so much. Si Rami Chan, si Yuno Channel. Thank you so much. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much all for supporting my live. Thank you so much.